Push me down.
Push you down. You holding him down?
No, you go down when you got a full breath of air. You float.
You float.
If somebody pushes you down, it just.
You go down there with no air?
When I go under, I blow all mine out because you can't stay down.
Fish. Come on, Chris. Help me. I can't swim.
You ran.
Go to it. Go
Oh,
to
you
it.
got him.
Go to it.
Just grab me by my arm.
Grab who? You?
Grab me by the arm.
Pull
Okay,
bird
pull.
dog back to shallow water.
You only have one chance. All right, I got you on bank right now. All right, grab the string. Hold you go. Hold you to go. Hey, what you want me to do? Follow your hand? Yeah, I'm gonna let you see him just a little bit.
You want me to stick it right in that mouth? Do that gill?
Do whatever you want me to do.
There it is. All right, hold on a second. Get that mouth closed.
He ain't got my thumb.
I can stick it right through his top lip.
Yeah.
Can I do that?
Let's see. Through the top?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. You good?
I don't know where they are.
Good one?
That son bitch got my face.
Does it?
Yeah. Look how I got it.
I see you.
Huh? Look. Look at my face.
Yeah.
He ain't got my but thumb.
What do you look like? Oh yeah.
That son's about there.
Damn, he in fact grabbed that so much quick.
Let's get a little splashing bird dog.
I won't even turn loose my one thumb.
So you ran the downstream stringer, right?
I just went down till I found a tank. I went past one.
I dog you grabbed him quick.
I felt one.
That's gonna hold, ain't it, Chris?
Huh?
That's gonna hold. I
Yeah,
got
yeah.
through that lid.
Well, yeah.
You went to the deep one?
I'm almost positive.
Bird dog, how much you think he'll weigh?
I don't know. 15. The main motherfucker.
See what I'm talking about? Yeah.
You can't hold it once you get him out of water.
That's about the size of the one I caught, though.